Hey everyone, in this video we're going to do a highly requested tour of where I work. Now keep in mind, we've been around for 65 years, and for the first part of my career till I was in my 30s, we had 2 factories, over 50 employees, and we did high volume embroidery. And I've got to tell you, that was high volume stress. So from that point forward, I've kind of been working the other direction, where we have been working remotely for many, many years, and I love it because it gives us the ability to pivot quickly, and it also decreases our overhead. That's a win-win. So this might not be overly impressive, but this is where I work. Now this is our studio. It is one room in our house. We have some cameras set up, we have lights set up, we have machines. We bring everything from the sample room upstairs when we need it, and this is where the magic kind of happens. So let's go downstairs and I'll take you to the sampling room. Well, we didn't make it down to the sampling room, but we did meet my daughter Beth. Beth works here. I can't show you exactly where her and Jennifer actually work because it's only by invitation only, and I don't have an invitation to be there today. Well, I'm not getting too far. I ran into our mascot, one of our mascots. This is Ragnar. Ragnar, come here. You guys might have seen him when he was a puppy. I actually had him online with us, but he is a Belgian Malinois and he is my best friend. Okay, this is the sampling room, and my studio and the sampling room are downstairs. Beth and Jennifer are upstairs. 35 years of marriage, 35 years of working together, and it's best if we have a little bit of separation. But that's more for her sake than mine. I gotta add that in or I'll be in trouble. Okay, you ready? Okay, so this is where the sampling happens. Nobody is here working today. And of course, every sampling room should have apparently a gym and a drum kit and all that. But on this side of the room, we have our smorgasbord of machines. And usually on any given day, they are all running samples. This is a holiday weekend, so we're really kind of short-staffed right now, but these are the machines that we run all of our samples on. Okay, this is where we kind of work. I have a couple of people here that you might recognize. Here's James Deere over in the corner, and James does some video stuff. There's Jesse over there. He's the man behind the curtain, the marketing guru. So that is what we're doing. Of course, Ragnar had to follow us in, and this is where I work. Pretty much 90% of my day is spent right here behind this desk. A few things going on. Of course, I have my Wacom tablet that I digitize on. I have multiple monitors. I have cameras set up for when we do lives. And this is where it all comes to be.
So I thought I'd flip the script on Ken a little bit. He's been walking around asking what we do, interviewing us, so I thought I would do the same. Here we go. All right, Ken, we got you. All right, so that's man right. Is hard at work. So Ken, tell us what you do here. I'm going to pass you the mic.
Thank you very much. Hello, guys. Welcome to the channel. I 50% of the time do a lot of the recording, the doodler, embroidery, all that stuff, teaching you guys everything as much as I can from what I know. And the other 50% of the time, I'm obsessed with technology, editing, cameras, and stuff like that. So to me, this is the perfect space. It has everything we need, and I mean, it's just perfect for creating those tutorials that we're gonna bring to you guys soon if they're not out yet. So yeah.
Awesome. Now, Ken, how long have you been with the Legacy, and what have you been thinking so far about your experience?
So I've been with the Legacy for about 6 to 7 months now, and I've been loving it so far. As most of you guys know, I've always been kind of like working or doing stuff by myself, so being part of a team has definitely changed everything, and it has changed for the better because I do not ever want to go back. I love working with Jesse, I love working with John, with James. It's a little sad that he's leaving, but I'm sure he's gonna do great regardless. And with everyone else, it's just a pleasure to be part of a team. And we're all trying to do our best to bring you guys the best content out there, the best of everything for embroidery and digitizing. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and keep watching more of The Legacy.
Yeah.